17:38. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass soon as you came.
Hey, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys had a fantastic Thanksgiving. Hopefully you guys got some really good deals if you went out shopping yesterday for Black Friday. And if not, then hopefully you can get some really good deals on Cyber Monday as well. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Aston Martin Vulcan, which hit the United States yesterday. It's going to make its way around to a few other places as well. Anyways, this 800 horsepower beast has some pretty likely competition with things such as the McLaren P1 GTR, Ferrari FXXK, Pagani Zonda R, just to name a few for you guys. Anyways, really exciting, pretty cool car. I personally wasn't able to make it out there, although I have a friend who was able to take some pictures of it for me and send them to me, which is probably what you're seeing right now. So yeah, that was pretty cool, pretty exciting, pretty sweet car. Price tag about $2.3 million, so it's pretty exclusive. And then to add on to that exclusiveness of the car, you know, just a few of them were made, such as the other ones. So yeah, pretty sweet car. Hopefully you guys checked it out. If not, enjoy the pictures. So anyways, the next topic I wanted to talk about was Tesla Motors. If you guys haven't heard of these car maker, Tesla, they're all electric cars, no gas engine. They're pretty state-of-the-art vehicles. Tesla actually came out with their autonomous driving. Sort of drives itself with, you know, a few restrictions on it. You can't really, you know, take it from point A to point B in full autonomous mode. It's just that little part just to kind of de-stress you a little bit so that when you get back into city and town driving, you know, you're ready to go, ready to get back on the wheel, and you know, you're ready for anything that may jump out at you, but whatever. So anyways, Tesla is actually recalling about 90,000 of their EV vehicles just because of the lap belt part. It was first found in a European model, and then Tesla, good call on them, they decided to you know, recall them all back, get that fixed, and you know, send people on their way. So anyways, also Tesla is coming out with their own SUV, which is pretty exciting because it's going to have a little bit more affordable price tag of about $80,000 starting, and then obviously the $1,800 delivery price tag. But anyways, this is a pretty cool car, pretty cool SUV. It's not the fastest in the world if you're looking for the lower base model, you know, with a 0 to 60 time of about 6 seconds, but all in all, pretty solid vehicle. Pretty good range on it. You're looking at about 220 miles just for that, you know, the 70 kilowatt per hour battery. Still a pretty good car, like I said. So anyways, that about wraps it up. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, please hit subscribe, comment. We can talk cars and stuff. And also, if you like this video, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. In the description, I'm going to have my Twitter. You can find that down below. Follow me and you'll get to see some, you know, exciting pictures that I kind of post throughout the week. And yeah, so that about wraps it up. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you tomorrow. See ya.